Today we're talking about a 6-cent penny stock, Artificial Intelligence Technology Solutions, OTC Ticker Symbol AITX. Recently I did a deep dive into AITX, which I will link at the end of this video, and today I'll share details of new catalysts that could mean big wins for this stock. Yes, AITX said in their annual financial statement ending February 2021 that they expect to increase their revenues over the next year by 5 to 15 times. But keep in mind that OTC stocks are highly volatile and risky. Hi investing friend, this is Lynn, and welcome back to 60 Perfect Wealth. In the past, I worked for years with Fortune 500 CFOs and financial consulting teams to help companies determine where they were making money. Now, I use this expertise to dig into AITX details, but this is not financial advice and for entertainment only. And looking back at 72 tickers I day traded in 2018, if I had done the type of analysis I'm sharing with you today, I would have held on to more of these stocks. 77% of them would mean big profits today. I spent just $37,000 on 7 of these trades that would now be worth $441,000. The purpose of this series is to help uncover the stock gems that have better odds of making money in the long term. So let's go and review today's hot stock. Just before we do that, this is a friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, to hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment below. Also, I do have a clickable link in the index below this video in case you want to revisit key points. In reviewing an OTC stock for investment, I look at the management, competition, size of the potential market share, and if they're increasing their revenues and production of cash. I also search for unique catalysts, warrants that could dilute the stock, and legal proceedings that could negatively impact the company. I covered a lot of these details in my previous AITX video, but here we'll look at AITX competition and new releases planned by AITX that could have a positive impact on the stock. We will also look at their charts, key support and resistance levels that day traders are leveraging to make quick wins with this stock. In their most recent annual financial report, AITX stated they only have one immediate competitor and one potential competitor. They named the main competitor as Knightscope. The details I'm sharing with you about Knightscope will give you good insight into a big potential revenue growth for AITX. AITX release of Romeo positions it as a near competitor to Knightscope, a Palo Alto-based company that was founded in 2013. RAD's approach is different from Knightscope's on many elements of technology, but in reviewing the details that Knightscope shared about the profitability of each robot placement, we get a good idea of the revenues we can expect AITX to receive from Romeo. A private company with a 6-foot-tall security robot, Knightscope was founded in 2013. The robot has multiple lasers that record a 3-dimensional map. The robot uses proximity sensors to determine when something is coming close. It also has a built-in GPS and uploads these details and video data to the cloud, where it is stored for as long as 15 years. Knightscope offers one indoor and one outdoor version of the robot, which is also offered like AITX Romeo on a subscription basis. This fee can range from $6 to $12 per hour for the robot's 24/7 surveillance, which includes support. Knightscope states that the robots are in use at Microsoft and NBC Universal. Kevin O'Leary interviewed Knightscope's CEO on May of 2020, who explained that from a client's perspective, this fee is a big savings and also is very profitable for Knightscope. A year-long contract can mean a $70,000 to $100,000 service fee per year per machine. Knightscope claimed that it costs about $6,000 to build each machine and $10K to $20K to support each robot over a 10-year period. This means $225,000 of profit for each robot over a 5-year period for a Knightscope. Their customers include 10 of the Fortune 1000, 4 major hospitals, and law enforcement sites. Knightscope also has a multi-terrain autonomous security robot in development that you can see here. So if we look at these potential numbers for AITX Romeo, this is very exciting. We know that CEO Steve Reinhardt is expecting orders to mount up, especially with the recent hiring of 5 additional salespeople. He also explained in the September-October timeframe, they will hire even more salespeople, and they are reinvesting to build and grow, so are not pushing to be profitable for a while yet. AITX also stated that just a small number of expected Romeo orders will make a substantial impact on RAD's financial performance and create momentum for the adoption of the entire RAD lineup. So the full lineup here is in this screenshot. You can see why Reinhardt just stated that he expects AITX monthly run rate to be 5x or more higher by the end of 2021. Reinhardt also explained that AITX expects some stunning new developments for their line of security robots with the RAD 3.0 updates, which will be out most likely in September, and that they have already released proof of concept orders. The plan is for the update to have their devices provide more of a stunning, distinctive, and futuristic visual statement. They are also planning the implementation of an ERP so they can scale up the production of manufacturing. In addition, they are planning a big media push with television ads coming out this quarter to promote AITX services. CEO Reinhardt also stated that RAD-G has a new development and that the details will be released in July. So stay tuned for an update on that. I will then also share details of their updated financials as Reinhardt expects the release of their quarterly report in July. Reinhardt did say that this quarterly report will share growing revenues, which is great news. Before we continue, if you are finding value in this video, if you could give it a thumbs up in return for all my effort, it would be greatly appreciated. And while you're at it, subscribe for more videos like this one. Now let's take a look at AITX stock chart and how the day traders are leveraging this stock. This E-Trade chart shows 2 support levels at 0.0603 and 0.05, and selling of the stock at the huge resistance level for swing trades around 0.07. Full disclosure, I do own about 4,000 shares of ATX, which I'm holding for the long term. AITX is risky, but I like Reinhardt's vision, and my investment is one that I can afford to lose. This short percentage chart shows that the stock has been shorted an average of around 35%. So a good number of short sellers are in this stock, which is impacting it as well. You know, I always love hearing from you, so please let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about AITX or any other stocks that you're excited about right now. And subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Also, go here to discover more hidden gems in our penny stock videos and the original deeper dive analysis of AITX.